Let's learn how to divide 168 by 2 using the long division method. 1 is less than 2, so we will consider the number 16. We know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 8 here. Now look that this is the number 8. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 0. Now look that we have no number to bring down here. And we have got the number 0. So we will stop. Therefore, 168 divided by 2 is equal to 84. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.